everybody, and welcome to Green Frog RC. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification button to stay up to date with the most current videos. Alright, so I got the body all masked off. Ready to go. Fenders, bed, hood, windows, headlights and taillights. Today I'm going to be using just like that kind of traction stuff you could put in drawers or underneath carpets on tile or something. This is like a laundry bag. Be using those two for another mask. I'll lay this down in here smooth as possible, down in the bottom. And then I'll lay this on top and fold it in using clothespins to hold it all in place. And I'll be back with you in a minute and show you how it went. Alright, so I laid the two pieces of the laundry bag in, trying to cover the whole bottom where this other stuff doesn't like to fold down into. Be a little bit of an overlap in the center. Try to keep it as flat as possible. Now I'll put the other stuff in, try to hold it in place. Alright, so I got it on there pretty good. Not ideal, but the mesh is landing there pretty good down at the bottom. There'll be some I'm gonna lay down some PS45, which is transparent purple, PS40, which is transparent pink. Colors for this morning. So, pardon the respirator, but with all that masking, not all that much made it through. The pink transparent. I'll let it dry for a little bit and remask it. And do some purple transparent and get back with you. Okay, for the next mask I cut up this masking material. Used it around the edges and then used a mesh bag in the bottom. This will be a purple transparent layer after the first one was a pink transparent layer. Alright, bring you back and show you the results. Alright, got the purple on. Next I'm going to be using some PS23, PS41 bright silver, and PS23 gunmetal. And again, mask them off with that stuff, mesh and the traction drawer liner. And I'll get back with you. Alright, so I put some silver down. One thing to keep in mind is tacky stuff. If it sticks to the body, it will break apart and leave a little bit of foam behind, but you shouldn't be able to see it from the outside. Now we got pink, then the purple, and then the silver. Alright, now I'm going to do some gunmetal behind it all. Alright, so I peeled off the masks on the hood and the bed and 3 of the fenders. Some fine tweezers are nice for when you're doing masks. Easier to get the tape off and not leave any marks. So next I'm going to put down a coat of black for the fenders, the hood, and the bed. And I'll get back with you. I'll show you this real quick. It's the gunmetal layer. Alright, I'll spray her black and be right back. Alright, I put down a coat of PS5 black, and now I got some Rust-Oleum bed liner I'm going to be putting down. So, yeah, that's a PS5 black. It's on there for the fenders, the hood, and the bed. Next, apologize for the movement, digging out the Rust-Oleum from under my armpit. Paint can warmer. So yeah, I'm going to lay a coat of that down next, and I'll get back with you. So, less than ideal temperatures for painting, but made do with the heat lamp and a hobby grade heat gun. Got everything dried out, got the last coat on, just put the Rust-Oleum on the backer, and I let it dry for about an hour in the heat lamp, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I'm back inside after rhino-lining the body. Rust-Oleum truck bed coating the body, I should say. Now I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and try to cut around the windows, so I can then spray everything with a flat matte. PS, I think 55 to me, a flat matte clear. Let's see how it goes. Alright, put down 3 or 4 coats of that flat PS55 on it after cutting them, clear masking off the outside and leaving it on the windows. I'll pull the masks off and show you what it looks like. So the interior masks are taken off. The brake lights, headlights, and all the windows and sunroof. Now I'm going to take off the exterior clear protective coating that I left on the windows, and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, got it all done. Took the clear coat off the outside, off the windows, and then it's got the matte. Everywhere else. Inside, it's rhino lined. Well, Rust-Oleum bed coating lined. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.